Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I trust you're all doing well. I'm doing great. You're with me, Jane, on my channel, Dine with Jane. If you're new, welcome to my channel. And if you're a new subscriber, welcome. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to do that before you leave. And so today, I'm coming to show you how I'll be making a Sukuma Wiki. Sukuma Wiki is kale. Sukuma Wiki is kale in Kenya, and it's one, I think, of the most favorite food that is eaten because it's very easy and very cheap to get. And so today I'll be cooking the Sukuma Wiki with beef. So the type of beef that I'm using today will be steak. Why I'm using steak is that I find that meat here can be a little bit on the tougher side. So I have chosen to go for steak, not a very expensive one, just a kind of medium size, medium price. And that's what I'll be using just to make sure that the food is nice and tasty and tender as well. So I will be having my Sukuma Wiki with ugali. So I'll be doing a separate video on how I do the ugali. If you want to watch that, that will be coming soon. And so let me go on and start making the Sukuma Wiki. So I got these ones in the supermarket. There is different variation of the kale. It can be curly kale, it can be the flat one, there's the American one, but this one that I'm using, I just got it here in Ireland. So it's a little bit different. It cooks and it can be a little bit tough, but so I tend to cook it just a little bit longer, and the color might change, but it tastes amazing. It's still the same. But if you have the other kale that cooks quickly, you only need to cook it like 5 minutes, and so that it can retain its nutrient. So yeah, let me stop rambling and I'm gonna go ahead on the other side and I can start cooking. I'm going to start doing the beef first so that I can tenderize it. So hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to leave your comments and subscribe, as I said, and yeah, share my video, and I'll be seeing you until next time. And please guys, I just thought actually to ask you, what other video would you like to see in my next time that I'm cooking? What is it that you'd like to see me do? Leave your comments below and your suggestions, and yeah, until then, keep watching. Bye. What I'm going to do first is turn on my gas and then just put on my pan. You don't need to let it warm up. So this is the beef that I'm using. I've washed it already, and with that I'll add in my onion. So I have 2 small onions here, red onion or purple onion. So just mix that in, and in that goes a little bit of water. So what I'm going to do is just add in some salt, because you want, when the meat is browning, to have a little bit of a flavor. So, and in that I will just cover it and let it cook for a little while until the meat is nicely browned, as in the water has kind of evaporated. And yeah, so I've just took out the lid so that it can dry completely. What I'm going to do, I'm going to add some oil. Maybe I'll add that's enough oil. So fry that for a couple of minutes. So I've kind of caramelized the meat a little bit. So what I'm going to do, add in your tomatoes, and I will add in some chili, crushed chili, which is optional if you don't like spices. So I'm gonna cover this and let it cook slowly until the tomatoes have kind of softened a little bit. So I say now the tomatoes have kind of cooked, and what I'll do, I'm going to add beef bouillon. Please do not add water to your kale, or yeah, whenever you're cooking this type of dishes, because the vegetables by themselves, they have enough water, so you don't want to make them blunt by adding any more water. And now I will add in the kale. So this is just a curly kale, skuma. So what I like to do is just cover it, let it simmer, maybe for 2-3 minutes, until the kale have kind of gone down a little bit. Now let's check the kale and just make sure that they're cooked. Ooh, they look good. These are not something you just want to eat right now. Oh, that smells amazing. It looks amazing. So just make sure that your salt, taste for salt. So I'm gonna give it another 3 minutes just to make sure that the kale soften a little bit, and it definitely does look good. The end results of my kale. Hope you do try the Sukuma Wiki. As you saw, it's pretty easy to make, quick. The flavors are amazing. Everything is just so bomb. So do try, do give it a try. And if you do, let me know how it turns out. And I'll be seeing you again. Until then, bye for now.